Hi, I'm Shruti Agarwal and I'm 45 years old. I started my treatment with Dr. Seema some 2 months back, and so far my journey has been excellent. I would like to share my experiences with you. I would also like to say that the experience has been really good, and I've extended my treatment so that I can avail more benefits. I'm treating her for constipation, and the results have been really amazing. Initially, when I started the treatment, I was told to be on juices for 2 days, only juices, that is coconut water and citrus juice. To be honest, I didn't believe that such kind of a diet is going to help me, and I would definitely faint, and my energy levels will drop. But however, I continued my treatment, and I was on juices for 2 days. To my surprise, my energy levels were good, and I didn't have that craving for food or anything. I was not even feeling hungry or anything. I always felt as if I have enough energy to go on for 2 days. Also, she gave me treatment like therapies like sitz bath, sunbathing, and wet putty, that is to keep a wet cloth on the stomach. I never believed that such things are going to help me to cure my constipation, to relieve my constipation, and it did. To my surprise, it really did. I just believed in her, and even now I can see there are so many new things, new changes in my body, and I'm really thankful. And I really believe in this kind of treatment. It's such a natural treatment without medicines and without any artificial things. This kind of natural therapy is really helpful, and it has helped me a lot. Suffering from constipation since the last 22 years. Precisely after my delivery, I started having constipation, and and then later I had fistula also. Yes, I had fistula also after delivery. Because I was busy, I ignored my condition, and I thought it would be like normal. It would get normal eventually, but it didn't get normal. And to pass stools, I had to take medicines, and then slowly I stopped medicines. I took external tools, help of tools to pass stools. So this got worsened over the years, and then I decided, like just recently, 6 months back, I consulted Dr. Seema, whom I happen to know through my family connections. She treated my Masi consulted her for cancer disease, and I thought there's nothing best than consulting someone who would cure me naturally. So yes, I consulted Dr. Seema, and she helped me. I started this treatment from March, yes, and she gave me natural fruits and vegetables to eat. There were no medicines, and everything was very natural. Everything was very easy for me. My stamina has built up so much. Like before starting this treatment, I was not able to do my yoga exercises or any form of exercises in a regular form. But I'm so glad that after I completed this course, after 6 months, I can do yoga 3 to 4 times a week, and without feeling that my stamina is low. Yeah, so this is like a blessing, and I feel so good that I can take care of myself properly now. And also my abdominal size was very big. Yes. My whole body was quite slim and normal, but only my abdominal size was quite big. It used to highlight from if I wear a bit, if I wore tight clothes or fitted clothes. But now, after I started. Dr. Seema asked me to go for dry fasting for 18 to 20 hours, and also for food fasting once a week. So, doing both the fasting, I realized that my abdomen size has reduced a lot, and it has helped me, to regularize my motions also. Also, Dr. Seema, I did therapy suggested by Dr. Seema. One was this wet putty therapy, and also hot tub, hot baths. Yeah, so bathtub. Yes, so these two therapies I was taking, and it has helped me. It helped me a lot. It helped me to recover a lot. It helped me to, along with the fruit diet and the vegetable diet, this therapies helped me to pass my motions very, very regularly. And my energy levels have become so good. Now I'm passing stools regularly, and I'm so glad I am able to pass my stools. And I have understood the most important thing that I have come across, that I have learned, I have learned to know my body, and I can now, I know when I will pass stools, what should I eat to pass stools. This is one very good thing that Dr. Seema has taught me, in the entire journey of this treatment. She explained each and everything so clearly that now I know that if I'm eating, then I will be able to pass stools, and it happens. So, and if I'm not eating properly, then what should I do to be able to pass stools next day regularly? Dr. Seema has helped me so much, and I'm so glad to her. Uh, she was constantly, she pushed me constantly to do well and not to lose confidence, not to lose faith. Because this journey has been long, 6 months. I have been, undergoing this treatment of, with, so yeah. So thank you so much, and Dr. Seema, and yeah. Okay. Bye bye.